Today I want to go over how I make my DIY dry shampoo. I'm going to start with this container. It helps keep it dry and keeps the moisture out. And I'm going to take arrowroot powder, about a half a cup of that. I like this mix because it's non-toxic, it's easy to work with, and it doesn't leave my hair feeling all kind of weird and nasty. So I'm just going to add this to the container, and then I'm going to take a good tablespoon of cocoa powder. And this, you can play with the mixture depending on how light or dark your hair is. And then I'm going to give this a little mix. Get that mixed up to see if I like it or not. And this is really easy to apply. I just use a makeup brush, or sometimes I just use my fingers. I just run my, dab it in, on my head. And this, for me, is a good mix. This is kind of how I usually do it. And you can play with that, you know, lighter or darker, depending on how your hair is. And then I like to add some essential oils to it. There's different oils that you can mix in. I've chosen lavender, but you can do cedar wood, which helps with hair growth. You can do tea tree, which if you suffer with little dandruff or different things like that, you can add some tea tree. But I just go with the basic lavender. I like the smell. It kind of gives it a nice fresh scent, and I just mix it up, and there you go.